back to my channel, Happy Project. It's me again, Maria, and for today's project, we're gonna be making a giant cotton candy that we can use for decorating our yard for Christmas. I'll be using the handle of the broom that I got from Dollar Tree. And then I'll start the base with some old t-shirts so that I don't have to use a lot of toy stuffing. I'll start with putting hot glue on the handle and then wrap the t-shirt around it. You can make this as thick as you want. So in my case, I used 3 medium-sized men's t-shirt, old t-shirts of my husband, before I start putting in the toy stuffing. Make sure to put a lot of hot glue to hold the t-shirt good, especially if you're planning to put this outdoor. You really want it to be sturdy. I suggest you use a bigger glue gun and glue stick than what I'm using in this video to make your work a lot easier. Once you're satisfied with how thick the base is, we could then start securing it around with a string, and this will help the shirt to hold together better, and this will also make it look more firm. Now we're gonna start putting on the toy stuffing. I got this from Amazon for like $15 for 2 pounds, and you could actually make a lot of these from one bundle. Maybe from what I got, I could probably make at least 4 giant cotton candies. So you can put as much stuffing as you want. It's totally up to you, and there's really no limit. Just keep on wrapping it around with a stuffed toy stuffing, and you could really put as much as you want. There's really no limit on this, so you could really use your own creativity and judgment. Now I'm spraying it with paint. Try to paint as far as possible so there wouldn't be any blotchy or uneven part. Let everything dry for at least 30 minutes before wrapping it up. Now I'm wrapping it up with plastic. I had to use 3 plastic bags that I put them together using tape. Sorry, it was hard for me to capture this on video because it was too big and I needed to lean on the side of my table. And then I'm now making some bows using a ribbon that I also got from Dollar Tree. And they have different colors and different patterns. And we're finally done making my giant cotton candy that we can put outdoors. I'm going to be posting more videos on how I'm going to be making more Candyland theme Christmas ornaments. So watch out for that. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also comment what you think about this cotton candy that I made. Give me some suggestions to make it look better, or maybe for it to cost cheaper for me. So thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye!